Hello guys, I'm here for you. In this video, I'll show you how to add background music in a video on Snapchat. Let's go for it. First of all, go to Snapchat and go to your photos. Here is a video for you. So tap on the top right side three buttons. Okay, and here is options for you: export snap, delete snap, hide snap, edit snap. Okay, I want to edit them. So here is a many options for you. I just want to add music, so tap on these music options like 1 2 3 4 5. It's 5 options. Okay, tap on here, and here is some music options for you, functions for you. Okay, I just want this love Neoti. Okay, tap on this, download this and tap on next. Save this. Okay,